You are a doer, a builder, a planner. You and your workforce make things work. And you know time is money, but how much time are your employees spending here in safety training instead of here on the job? How many productive hours are you losing? And why is it costing so much? Ecotech has a better, brighter, out-of-the-box way to tackle training. What if your workforce volunteered to take safety training on their own time and liked it? What if you saved money and man-hours in the process? That's really thinking outside the box. It's possible using an online safety training program that's available anytime, anywhere. The following example will show you how. Say you have 50 employees, each costing $20 per hour. If they take only 10 hours of training each year, wow! That's 500 lost productive hours and $10,000 in payroll. And don't forget the cost of the instructor. But how can we get employees to take training on their own time? Time off. What if you gave the employees vacation time as incentive? Sounds good, but how would that work? Right now, your employees spend 10 hours in training classes. If they volunteered to take training online while they're not at work, would you give them an extra 4 hours off? If so, what cost you 10 hours of lost time last year becomes 4 hours vacation time for your employees and 6 productive hours for you. And you still get your training done. Now that's a win-win situation. And that huge expense you used to have is now valuable man-hours you've saved, cutting your real costs by half. Think you'd like to reduce training costs by 60%? Reduce lost man-hours by 60%? And get back hundreds of productive hours a year? Think outside the box with the Highly Trained Workforce Program. It's the only money-saving, productivity-building, out-of-the-box, easy-to-use training program. Another innovative technology for today's business needs from Ecotech. See how it can work for you. Click or call Ecotech today.